Good morning, student. Hi there. Alright, now welcome back to our English class. So nice to see you again, students. And I am your English teacher. My name is Teacher Kwan. And now, students, are you ready?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yes!
Well done! But before we get started with our wonderful story, we are going to sing and dance together. Do you love to sing and dance with me?
Yes!
Good job. Now please stand up, stand up. We are going to sing and dance together. Now let's begin with our first song. And this song we call Hello Song. Don't forget to set up like this, students. And then we are going to count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Can you stretch your arms? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say
You will
hello?
say hello. Good job. Do it again.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3.
Can you stretch your
High.
Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say
You will
hello?
say hello. One more time, student.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3. And then you will say hello. Wonderful, students. Alright, now let's move to the next song. And this song we call Open Them, Shut Them. Do you know how to sing and dance with this song?
Yes!
Alright, now let's sing and dance together. Move your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap.
Move your head again.
Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a loud clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a quiet clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap.
Good job.
Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a fast clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Give a slow clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them, open them, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap.
Well done, students. You are good dancers. Alright, now we move to the next song. And this song is our entry song. Don't forget to sing and dance together.
English, English, ABC. It's time to play. Let's go, 1, 2, 3.
Alright, and welcome back to Brown English class.
Thank you, birds.
Alright, student, and today we are still with our wonderful story of Thank You, Birds. But before we get started with our wonderful story, now let's answer the questions. So, student, teacher have some questions to ask all of you. Let's begin with the first question. And this question is, listen carefully. Students, how are you? How are you? How are you today? How do you feel? Today, are you sad? Student, are you sad?
No, teacher.
Oh, good job. If you are not sad, what about this one? Are you angry? Angry? Are you angry?
No.
Wow, you say no again. If you are not sad and you are not angry, what about this one? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, and this time you say yes. Now let's repeat after me. This time you will say, I am happy. You turn.
I am happy.
Wonderful. One more time, please. And this time, you have to act like this when you say, I am happy. I am happy. Like this. Alright, do it again one more time. Student, how are you today?
I am happy.
Wonderful. Alright, now let's move to the next question. And this question is, listen carefully.
How's the weather?
Now let's repeat this question after me.
How's the weather?
How's the weather? You turn.
How's the weather?
Good job. And can you answer this question? How's the weather? Tick tock, tick tock. Now let's look at the window, student. Look at the outside and then tell me, how's the weather?
It's windy.
Today, is it windy? Is it windy? It would be yes or no.
No, teacher.
No. Well done. Today is not windy. Let's find out another answer. So, if today is not windy, what about this one? Look.
It's cloudy.
And what about this one, student? Today, is it cloudy? Is it cloudy?
No, again.
Oh no, again, it's not cloudy. And what about this one?
It's rainy.
And this one, student, today, is this rainy? Rainy? Is this rainy?
No, teacher.
Oh no, today is not rainy. So, if it's not windy, if it's not cloudy, and it's not rainy, how's the weather? What about this one? Look.
It's sunny.
And this one, student, today, is it sunny? Sunny. Is it sunny?
Yes, teacher.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Good job! This one is the correct one. Today it's sunny. Now let's repeat this sentence after me.
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Your turn.
It's sunny.
Good job. Now let's say it again one more time. And this time you have to act like this when you say it's sunny. Alright, one more time please.
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Your turn.
It's sunny.
Well done! Alright, student, now let's move to the next question. Don't forget to listen carefully.
What day is it today?
And now let's repeat this question after me. What day is it today? Your turn.
What day is it today?
Excellent. And then back to you, students. Can you answer this question? What day is it today? Guess what, student?
Today is Wednesday.
Today is Wednesday. Is this correct? It would be yes or no.
No.
Oh no, good job. Today is not Wednesday. Now let's find out another answer. If it's not Wednesday, what about this one?
Today is Friday.
Today is Friday. What about this one, student? Is this correct? It would be yes or no.
No, teacher. Today is not Friday.
Good on you. No, today is not Friday. So, what day is this today? What about this one?
Today is Saturday.
Today is
Today
Saturday.
is Saturday.
What about this one, student? Today is Saturday. Is this correct? It would be yes or no.
Yes, teacher.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Well done. This one is the correct one. Today is Saturday. Now, let's repeat this sentence after me.
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. You turn.
Today is Saturday.
Wonderful students. Alright, students. And today we are going to practice how to pronounce the sounds of the English alphabet. Today we are going to practice how to pronounce the sounds of each letter in the corrective way with part of sound box. Now are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Let's move to sound box.
Sound box.
And let's begin with part of phonics. Alright, let's move to phonics. Now, students, let's look at the screen. What do I have? Look at the screen. Now, teacher have teacher have 3 letters over there. Look at the green one. Guess what, student? What kind of letter this one? The green one. What is it?
Q.
It's letter Q. Good job. And what about the yellow one? What kind of this letter?
R.
This one is letter R. Good job. And what about the pink one? What kind of this letter? Guess what?
S.
It's letter S. Excellent, student. Alright, now let's find out together with the Q. Let's begin with letter Q.
Q.
Alright, student, listen carefully.
Q. Queen. Q. Quilt. Q. Question.
Good job, student. Now this one is letter Q. And now teacher have, let's look at this one. The first letter, the big one, that one is repeat after me. Big Q. You turn.
Big Q.
Good job. And followed by the small one. This one is repeat after me. Small Q. You turn.
Small Q.
Excellent. Alright, student. Now we are going to learn the new words that have the same beginning letter with letter Q. Now let's look at this one. So, student, do you know what is the sound of letter Q?
Yes.
Alright, good job. Now let's listen carefully again. The sound of letter Q is... Repeat after me. Q. You turn.
Q.
One more time, please. Q. You turn.
Q.
That is alright, student. Now let's look at the first word that have the beginning sound of letter Q. And this one is, listen carefully, and then we are going to repeat this word.
Queen.
Repeat after me. Queen. You turn.
Queen.
Well done. And then let's spell this word queen. Is begin with. Repeat after me. Q
Q
U
U
E
E
E
E
N
N
Queen.
Queen. Your turn.
Queen
Excellent. This word is queen. Now let's move to the next word that has the same beginning sound of letter Q. And this word is student. Don't forget to listen carefully.
Quilt.
Repeat after me. Quilt. Your turn.
Quilt
Good job. And now let's spell this word quilt. Repeat after me. Quilt is begin with Q
Q
U
U
I
I
L
L
T
T
Quilt.
Quilt. Your turn.
Quilt
One more time, please.
Quilt.
Quilt. Your turn.
Quilt
Excellent. Alright, student. Now let's move to the next word. Look at this one. And this word is, don't forget to listen carefully again.
Question.
Let's repeat it. Question. Your turn.
Question
Good job. And now let's spell this word question. Question is begin with repeat after me. Q
Q
U
U
E
E
S
S
T
T
I
I
O
O
N.
N
Question.
Question. Your turn.
Question
Wonderful, student. Alright, now we have learned all of 3 words that have the same beginning sound of letter Q already. So, now let's move to the next letter. And the next letter is this one. Letter R. So listen carefully.
R. Radio. R. Rabbit. R. Robot.
Alright, student. And now this one is letter R. Let's look at this one, student. The big one. This one is repeat after me. Big R. Your turn.
Big R
Alright, good job. And followed by the small one. This one is repeat after me. Small R. Your turn.
Small R
Excellent. Alright, student. And did you know what is the sound of letter R?
Yes
Well done. Alright, now let's listen it again. Repeat after me. R. Your turn.
R
One more time, please. Listen it again. R. Your turn.
R
Excellent. Alright, student. Now we are going to learn with the new words over there. And 3 words over there. They have the same beginning sound of letter R. Now let's look at the first one. Look at this one and then listen it carefully.
Radio.
Repeat after me. Radio. Your turn.
Radio
Excellent. Now let's spell this word radio. Repeat after me. Radio is begin with R.
R
A
A
D
D
I
I
O.
O
Radio.
Radio. Your turn.
Radio
One more time, please.
Radio.
Radio. Your turn.
Radio
Excellent. Alright, now let's move to the next word. Look at this picture, student. What is this?
Rabbit
It's rabbit. Good job. Alright, now let's listen carefully with this word.
Rabbit.
Repeat after me. Rabbit. Your turn.
rabbit.
Good job, student. This one is rabbit. Now let's spell this word. Rabbit is begin with. Repeat after me. R
R
A
A
B
B
B
B
I
I
T
T
rabbit,
rabbit. You turn.
rabbit.
Good job. Alright, now let's move to the next word. So, student, look at this picture. Guess what? What is it?
Robot.
Robot. Excellent. Alright, now let's listen carefully to this word.
robot,
Repeat after me. Robot. You turn.
Robot.
Wonderful. Now let's spell this word robot. Repeat after me again. Robot is begin with R
R
O
O
B
B
O
O
T
T
robot,
robot. You turn.
Robot.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Oh, alright, student. Now we move to the last letters of this part. And student, what kind of this letter over there? The pink one.
S
Letter S. Excellent. Now move to letter S. Listen carefully again.
S,
S.
strawberry, S, star, S, sun,
Alright, student. This letter is letter H. And look at this one, student. The first letter, the big one. Repeat after me. This one is big H. You turn.
Big S
Excellent. And then it's followed by the small one. This one is small H. You turn.
Small S
Excellent. And student, did you know what is the sound of letter H?
Yes.
Alright, now let's listen again. The sound of letter S is... Repeat after me. H. You turn.
S
One more time, please. H. You turn.
S
Excellent. Alright, student. Now let's look at the pictures over there. Now, teacher have 3 words that have the same beginning sound of letter H. Now, let's look at the first picture. Look at this one. Student, what kind of fruit over there?
Strawberry.
It's strawberry. Good job. And let's listen to this word.
strawberry,
Repeat after me. Strawberry. You turn.
Strawberry.
Good job. Now let's spell this word strawberry. It begin with H,
S
T,
T
R,
R
A,
A
W,
W
B,
B
E,
E
R,
R
R,
R
Y.
Y
strawberry,
Strawberry. You turn.
Strawberry.
One more time, please.
strawberry,
Strawberry. You turn.
Strawberry.
Good job. Do you like it?
Yes.
Is it sour or is it sweet?
Sweet.
Good job. Strawberry is sweet. Alright, now let's move to the next word, student. Look at this one. And this word is, listen carefully again.
star,
Repeat after me. Star. You turn.
Star.
Excellent. Now let's spell this word star. Star is begin with, repeat after me. H,
S
T,
T
A,
A
R.
R
star,
Star. You turn.
Star.
That is alright, student. Now we move to the last word of this part. And look at this picture, student. This word is, listen carefully.
Sun.
Repeat after me. Sun. Your turn.
Sun.
Good job. And now let's spell this word sun. Sun. It begin with H.
S.
U.
U.
N.
N.
Sun.
Sun. Your turn.
Sun.
One more time, please.
Sun.
Sun. Your turn.
Sun.
Excellent, student. Now we have learned all of three words that have the same beginning sound of letter S already. Alright, student. Now let's practice more. Can you remember the sound of letter Q? What is the sound of letter Q?
Q.
Excellent. Alright, repeat after me again. Q. Your turn.
Q.
Good job. And student, what is the sound of letter R?
R.
Good job. Now let's repeat it again one more time. R. Your turn.
R.
Excellent. And what about the last one, student? Letter S. What is the sound of letter S?
S.
Excellent. Now let's repeat it again one more time. S. Your turn.
S.
Good on you, student. Don't forget to practice how to pronounce the sound of each letters. Alright, now let's move to the next part. And this part is part of Phonics chant. And Phonics chant is our song, but for the first time. So student, let's listen carefully. Move to chant.
Queen and question, queen and question, queen and question, Q sounds radio and rabbit, radio and rabbit, radio and rabbit, R sounds strawberry and star, strawberry and star. Strawberry and star, S sounds.
Alright, student, and this one is our chart song with part of phonics of this is pronounced the sounds of letter Q, R, and letter S. Alright, student. Now let's forget with letter Q, and then repeat after me. Q is for queen. Your turn.
Q is for queen.
Good job. And the next sentence. Q is for question. Your turn.
Q is for question.
Excellent. And then move to letter R. And letter R. Repeat after me. R is for radio. Your turn.
R is for radio.
Good job. And the next question. R is for rabbit. Your turn.
R is for rabbit.
Excellent. And now move to the next letter. This letter is letter S, and then repeat the sentence after me. S is for strawberry. Your turn.
S is for strawberry.
Alright, good job. And move to the last sentence. S is for star. Your turn.
S is for star.
Good job, student. And then the next part, we are going to practice how to sing with our chant. Alright, we are going to learn how to sing section by section. Let's begin with the first section. Listen carefully and then repeat it.
Queen and question.
Repeat after me. Queen and question. Your turn.
Queen and question.
One more time.
Queen and question.
Queen and question. Your turn.
Queen and question.
Again, please.
Queen and question.
Queen and question. Your turn.
queen and question.
Good job. Move to the sounds of letter Q.
Q sounds k, k, k.
Repeat after me. Q sounds k, k, k. Your turn.
Q sounds k, k, k.
Excellent, student. Alright, now let's move to letter R. Listen carefully again and then repeat it.
R, R, radio and rabbit.
Repeat after me. R, R, radio and rabbit. Your turn.
R, R, radio and rabbit.
Again, please.
R, R, radio and rabbit.
R, R, radio and rabbit. Your turn.
R, R, radio and rabbit.
And again, please.
R, R, radio and rabbit.
R, R, radio and rabbit. Your turn.
R, R, radio and rabbit.
Alright, and now move to the sounds of letter R. Listen carefully again.
R sounds r, r, r.
Repeat after me. R sounds R, R, R. Your turn.
R sound R, R, R.
Excellent. Alright, now we move to the last letter of this part. And this letter is letter H. Listen carefully, students.
Strawberry and star.
Let's repeat it. Strawberry and star. Your turn.
Strawberry and star.
One more time.
Strawberry and star.
Strawberry and star. Your turn.
Strawberry and star.
Again, please.
Strawberry and star.
Strawberry and star. Your turn.
Strawberry and star.
Well done. And now we move to the sounds of letter H.
S sounds.
Repeat after me. H sounds. Your turn.
S sounds.
Excellent, student. Alright, now let's sing with the whole song one more time.
K, k, queen and question. K, k, queen and question. K, k, queen and question. Q sounds k, k, k. R, R, radio and rabbit. R, R, radio and rabbit. R, R, radio and rabbit. R sounds r, r, r. Strawberry and star. Strawberry and star. Strawberry and star. S sounds.
Alright, student, and up of our chant song. Alright, don't forget to practice how to pronounce the sounds of each letter. And don't forget to practice how to sing our song too. Alright, student, and then the next part, we are going to have fun together with part of Fun Box. Do you like to play the game?
Yes.
Alright, now let's move to Fun Box.
Fun box.
And this game is called What Do You Want? What do you have? Alright, now let's move to the game.
What do you have?
Listen and click the right fruit. Who has an apple?
Alright, student, and this game we are going to listen and then we are going to click the right birds over there that have the right fruit. Now, what kind of food do we have? Now we have, repeat after me. Peach, your turn.
Peach.
And the next one, this one is banana, your turn.
Banana.
Excellent, and move to the red one. This one is apple, your turn.
Apple.
Good job, and move to the next one. This one is melon, your turn.
Melon.
Excellent, and then the last one. This one is orange, your turn.
Orange.
So, student, don't forget to listen and then click the right fruits. Now, listen carefully.
Who has an apple?
Who has an apple? Who has an apple, student? Now, back to you, student. You have to find out the right birds that have the apple. apples. Which one has an apple? Look at this one. Itchy has an apple?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this bird? Itchy has an apple.
Yes.
Are you sure? Is this apple?
Yes. It's the
Alright.
red one.
It's the red one. Alright, now let's check it out together by this bird.
Apple.
Apples.
Good job.
Good job.
I have an apple.
Who has a melon?
Alright, now move to the next one. And this question is, listen carefully again, student.
Who has a melon?
Who has a melon? Alright, student, now let's listen and then repeat this sentence after me.
Who has a melon?
Who has a melon? Your turn.
Who has a melon?
Good job. And then let's find out the right birds that have the melon. Which one does have the melon? Look at this bird. Is it has a melon?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this bird? Is it has a melon?
Yes.
Is this melon?
Yes.
Alright, now let's find out together with these birds.
Melon.
Melon.
Super.
Super. This one
I
is the
have a
correct
melon.
one.
Who has an orange?
Alright, now we move to the next part. And this question is, listen it again.
Who has an orange?
Who has an orange? Alright, student, repeat this sentence after me.
Who has an orange?
Who has an orange? Your turn.
Who has an orange?
Well done, student. Now let's find out the right bird that has the orange. Aces has an orange?
No.
Oh no, it's not orange. And what about this bird? Aces has an orange?
No, teacher, it's banana.
Oh, good job. No, it's banana. And what about this bird? Aces has an orange?
Yes.
Alright, if you say yes, now let's check it out together.
Orange.
Orange.
Good job.
Good job.
I have an orange.
This bird is the correct one.
Who has a banana?
Alright, now move to the next question. Let's listen to this question.
Who has a banana?
Repeat after me. Who has a banana? Your turn.
Who has a banana?
Excellent, student. Now let's find out the right bird that has the bananas. Look at this bird. Is this has a banana?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this bird? Is it has a banana?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, now let's find out together.
Banana.
Banana. Wow.
I have a banana.
Who has a peach?
Alright, student, now move to the next question. And this question is,
Who has a peach?
repeat after me. Who has a peach? Your turn.
Who has a peach?
Excellent. Now let's find out the right bird that has a peach. Look at this bird. Is it has a peach?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not a peach. And what about this one? Is it has a peach?
Yes.
Yes. Alright, let's find out together.
Peach.
Peach.
Okay.
Okay.
I have a peach.
This one is the correct one. Alright, excellent. Alright, student, now end up of our game. And then the next part, we are going to do our exercise together. Alright, student, this part, don't forget to bring your workbook or your worksheet beside you. And then open your workbook on page 14 like this. It look like this. This one. Alright. And now move to workbook. So student, we are going to do our exercise together. Don't forget to find out your pencil. Maybe you can use some colors or crayons. Teacher will find out my pencil too. Alright student, and this part of our activities, we are going to connect the letter. We are going to connect the letter of the words over there that have the same beginning sounds of the letter, the first one. What kind of this letter?
Q,
Q, and this one?
R,
R, and the next one?
S,
S, good job. Alright, let's begin with letter Q first. Alright student, let's focus with letter Q. Look at letter Q. And this word is Q, quilt. Is this correct?
yes,
This one is the correct one. Q, quilt. And then draw the line like this to this word quilt. And let's find out another word of the second line, student. Now we have quilt in the first line. And then let's find out another word with the second line. Which word does have the same beginning letter of letter Q? It would be rainbow. Is this correct?
no,
Oh no, it's not. And what about this one? Star.
no teacher.
Oh no, again, it's not match. And what about this word? Queen. Is this correct?
Yes,
Are you sure?
yes,
Good job. Now let's connect this word quilt to this word queen by drawing the line like this. Teacher will use red color. Drawing the line like this from quilt to queen. Alright, and then repeat this word after me again. Queen. Your turn.
queen.
Excellent. Alright, student. And now we have big Q already. We are going to find out the small Q. Where is the small Q, student? The green one. Is this the small Q?
No,
Oh no, it's not. And what about the orange one? Is this small Q?
no teacher.
Oh no. And what about the pink one? Is this the small Q?
Yes,
Yes, good job. This one is the correct one. It is small Q. Now let's connect from the word queen to the small Q by drawing the line like this. Alright, student, keep following. Have you finished?
yes,
Good job. Alright, now let's move to the next letter. And this letter is letter R. Alright, student, and teacher will change the color. Now teacher will use yellow. Alright, let's look at letter R. R is for robot. Robot. Is this correct? Is this match?
yes teacher.
Yes, it's matching. Now let's connect from big R to this word robot. And then let's repeat this word after me. Robot. Your turn.
Robot.
Excellent. Alright, student. Now let's move to the second line. We are going to find out the correct word that have the same beginning sounds of robot. Which word does have the beginning sounds of letter R? It would be star. Star. Is this matching?
No teacher.
Oh no, it doesn't match. And what about this one? Rainbow. Is this correct?
Yes teacher.
Good job. Now let's connect from this word robot to this word rainbow by drawing the line like this. Alright, and then let's repeat this word after me. Rainbow. Your turn.
Rainbow.
Excellent, student. And move to the third line, student. This part we are going to find out the small r. Which one is the small r? The green one. Is it small r?
No.
Oh no, it's not. And what about the orange one? Is it small r?
Yes.
Yes, excellent. This one is the correct one. It's small r. Now, let's connect from this word rainbow to the small r by drawing the line like this. Alright, keep following, student. Have you finished with part of letter R?
Yes.
Good job. Now let's move to the next letter. And this letter is letter H. And teacher will change the color. This part teacher will use green. Alright, student. And look at letter S. S is for sun. Is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, good job. It's sun. Drawing the line like this. And then let's repeat these words. Repeat after me. Sun. You turn.
Sun.
Excellent. And then let's move to the second line. We are going to find the correct word that have the same beginning letter. It would be, oops, now we have only one left. And this word is star. Is this correct?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, this one is the correct. Now let's connect from this word sun to star by drawing the line like this. Keep following the green line. And then repeat this word after me. Star. You turn.
Star.
Excellent. Alright, student. Now we move to the third line. This one, we are going to find out the small s. Which one is the small s?
The green
The
one.
green one. That's it. We have only one left. This one is the small s. Alright. Now let's connect from this word star to the small s by drawing the line like this. Alright, keep following. Have you finished with this part of letter H?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, good on you, student. Now we're done already with part of exercise. Alright, student. And then we move to the next part.
Student book.
Oops, teacher, sorry. We are going to practice how to sing and dance with our song. Can you remember how to sing and dance with our song Yummy Yum Yum?
Yes.
Alright, now let's practice one more time with part of warm up.
Warm up.
Alright, student, now let's stand up. We are going to sing and dance together. Let's begin with this song. Yummy Yum Yum.
Let's have a fruit party. Apples, bananas, juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Let's have a fruit party. Oranges,
Oranges.
grapes,
Great.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Alright, good on you, student. This part is yummy yum yum. And what about this song, student? What do you have? Alright, let's practice together.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you have?
Apples, apples. Oh, I have some apples.
I'm hungry, so hungry. Oh, what do you
Yummy, yum, yum. And what do you have? Alright, student. And today it's thumbs up, and then we have to say goodbye. Now let's sing and dance with our last song that we call goodbye song.